Dlamini-Zuma, NC.
As a disciplined member of the ANC, I vote yes.
Order, honorable members. Order. Order, honorable.
If he wants to reshuffle me even this minute, it's his right. It's his democratic right. So I won't hold it against him.
Hi guys, welcome back to another quick and short video. Please consider subscribing so that you don't miss any of our future videos. If you also want other things about making money, trading and stuff like that, see the links in the description box below. On this channel, we try to highlight the things that you probably would have missed in the news and also give our analysis and our thoughts. So yeah, subscribe so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Today's video, we are going to talk about the decision yesterday by Nkosazana Dlamini-Zuma to vote against the instructions of the African National Congress and what it means going into the African National Congress Elective Conference, which starts on Friday going into the weekend. So if you probably were not aware, Nkosazana Dlamini-Zuma, who is also Cooperative Governance and Traditional Affairs Minister and a rival of Cyril Ramaphosa for the ANC's presidency, yesterday she decided to break rank with the ANC and vote with the opposition parties for the adoption of Section 89 Committee's Pala report. The report that had said that Cyril Ramaphosa, who is Nkosazana Dlamini-Zuma's rival this weekend, had broken the country's laws and probably should be impeached. If several ANC MPs had also joined her, we probably would have seen Cyril Ramaphosa possibly getting impeached. Probably a good idea to try and take out your opponent early on in the game before we actually get to the elective conference. Unfortunately, there were not enough ANC rebel MPs. So it ended up being Nkosazana Dlamini-Zuma, Supra Mahumapelo, no surprises there, Msobenziswane, no surprises there. They are all anti-Ramaphosa guys we know in the ANC. Mervyn Dix, and then we have like the biggest critics of Cyril Ramaphosa did not even show up, like Lindiwe Sisulu and I think Sweli Mkhize. So I don't know what you think. Leave your thoughts in the comment section below. But my personal opinion, my analysis is that Nkosazana Dlamini-Zuma probably killed her aspirations, ambitions yesterday. Why am I saying so? Probably this weekend, people are going to be asking themselves, of course she voted with her conscience, of course she probably did the right thing, probably the president had some questions to answer. But the key thing is also that the ANC as a party had said everybody must vote against the adoption of the report, and she decided to do otherwise. And probably all the delegates at the conference will be asking themselves, do we need a president of the ANC who doesn't listen to what the party says? Do we need to be led by a person who, when the party says this, they go out there and do their own thing? Does the ANC need such a president? This is what I think Nkosazana Dlamini-Zuma probably shot herself in the foot. Yes, it remains to be seen. The conference is not yet started. But if she had garnered enough rebel MPs to go with her, she probably would be in a good position, would have probably shaken the Ramaphosa camp a bit, but it didn't happen that way. I'm sure her plan was probably to shake Ramaphosa a bit and dangle the threat of impeachment above his head if enough rebel MPs had showed up from the ANC and made sure that the report had been adopted. But lo and behold, it didn't happen. So now the future of Nkosazana Dlamini-Zuma in cabinet and within the ANC leadership is now questionable, really. Is now questionable, really. But it remains to be seen again. It remains to be seen again because now people are probably wondering going into the conference, do we really need Nkosazana Dlamini-Zuma as president of the African National Congress? So yeah, leave your thoughts in the comment section below. I would like to hear what you think about this. Do you think there is still a chance of Nkosazana Dlamini-Zuma becoming president of the ANC after what she did yesterday? Yes, she probably did the right thing, voting with her conscience and trying to probably be by the book, by the law. But against the instructions of the ANC, which is a party, that's a tricky one. That's a tricky one. Again, subscribe, see the links in the description box below. Guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings.